In this video, we'll be solving the given numerical. So the problem statement says that a certain tube manufactured by a company have mean life of 800 hours, mean is 800, and then the standard deviation is 60. So we have to find the probability that random sample of 16 tubes, n value is 16, taken from group will have mean life. So these four are the conditions. So here we need to, as we assume that it is normal distribution, so it involves the z, that is standard normal variate. So for finding z, we have to write the formula z is equal to x bar minus mu of x by sigma of x bar. So here x bar value we don't know, mu of x value we can find it out. Mu of x bar, that is mean of the given sample, is equal to mean of population. Mean of population is 800, and the sigma x we can write it as we know the formula, sigma by root n. This is assuming that it is with replacement. Okay, so sigma is 60 by under root 16. Solving this, we get 50. So the formula, we get it as z is equal to x bar minus 800 by 15. So we can further write this as 15z plus 800 is equal to x bar. Now let's look into the said 790 hours to 810 hours. When it is given between two intervals, the first step we would do is consider x bar as these two values. So first let's write when x bar is equal to 790. So we get z is equal to 790 minus 800 by 50. Okay, and then x bar is equal to 810. We get z is equal to 810 minus 800 by 50. Solving this, the values are minus 0.67 and 0.67. So we can say that P of minus 0.67 z and 0.67. Z lies between plus or minus 0.67, which can be further written as 2 times of phi of 0.67. So using the standard normal table, we can find the value of this, that is 0.2486. Multiplying 2 with this, we get 0.4972. The next part of question says less than 785 hours. Okay, so less than 785 hours. So first, when x bar is 785, z is equal to x bar minus mu of x by sigma x. X bar value is 785 minus 800 by sigma x is 15. So if you solve this, get the value as minus 1. So P lies between z less than minus 1, because it's less than, right? Less than minus 1. So whenever it is of this form, you can write it as 0.5 minus phi of 1. Phi of 1 you can find it out by calci or using the table. 0.5 minus 0.3413, you get it as 0.1587. The next part, this is for less than 785 hours. The next part says more than 820 hours. So more than 820 hours means first x bar is 820. So z value is 820 minus 800 by 15. So if you solve this 20 by 15, you get 1.33. So p value z more than, so z greater than 1.33. So whenever it is of this form, you can write it as 0.5 minus phi of 1.33. That is 0.5 minus phi of 1.33 can be written as 0.4082. That is 0.0918. Okay. So moving on to the fourth part, they say they have asked us to find between 770 and 830 hours. So first, when x bar is 770 and x bar is 830. So when x bar is 770, we can write it as 770 minus 800 by 15, and here 830 minus 800 by 50. So you get it as, so solving this we get -2, and solving this we get +2. So p value lies, the z value lies between -2 and +2, which can be written as 2 times of phi of 2. So it is, you can, if you find the value of phi of 2, you get it as 4772. Multiplying these two, you get it as 0.9544. So we have solved all the 4 parts of the numerical. So I hope you have understood how to solve this question. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.